This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade barbecue sauce with an easy guide. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need a good quality ketchup, some apple cider vinegar, and rich brown sugar as your base. Make sure your workspace is clean and organized for efficient mixing and cooking. Having all your measuring tools, like cups and spoons, readily available will make the process smooth and enjoyable. This simple preparation sets you up for success. Now, let's start combining our wet ingredients to form the base of our amazing sauce. Grab a medium-sized saucepan and pour in 1.5 cups of your favorite ketchup. Next, add a half cup of tangy apple cider vinegar and 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce for that extra savory kick. Whisk these liquid components together until they are well blended. Finally, add about a half cup of water to achieve the perfect initial consistency before we introduce our dry flavors. With our liquid base ready, it's time to infuse it with incredible flavor. Stir in a generous 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar. This adds a wonderful sweetness and richness. Next, incorporate 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika, which will give your sauce a beautiful color and a deep, smoky aroma. Don't forget the aromatics. Add 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder to round out the savory notes. Mix everything thoroughly until all the spices are fully dissolved. Almost there. Now, place your saucepan over medium heat and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Once it starts bubbling lightly, reduce the heat to low and let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent sticking and ensure even thickening. The sauce will thicken as it simmers, developing a richer flavor. Once it reaches your desired consistency, remove it from the heat. Allow it to cool completely before storing it in an airtight container or serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.